Hello friends, welcome to GaMa tutorials. Today we will see another example of automation testing. Basically, I'm going to show you how automation help us in repetitive task. In previous session, we have seen what is meant by automation testing. In this session, we will see how automation is helping us to fill up the form. So basically this is a data entry website and on which we have to copy all these values, okay, in the given field, means in this section. Okay, so I have automated a script through which all these values are getting copied and it is pasting in given section, and after that it will click on next. Now again it will wait for next form, and now next form has displayed, so it is now reading all these values, and once all these values has been reading is completed, then it will start filling automatically. So I am not moving at my mouse cursor, so you can understand how automation script is helping us to fill up this form. See, human can't type this much fasting, it is done through automation. And in script I have applied some validation, so basically it will check all the spelling and all these values in backend, and here we can see only these values are simply copied in given text box. So now you have understood the power of automation and you can automate your day-to-day jobs, okay, daily tasks like that. So if you are interested in learning automation, you can subscribe to my channel and follow my videos. So this is how automation is working, and it will read all the forms and it will continue till last page. Once this script found a submit button, okay, then it will come to know that okay, this is the last page and we have to stop over here. It will fill the form and it will click on next, like that it is doing. So you can watch this video till end, okay, and you will realize how we can build a automation script for doing repetitive tasks. So currently it is reading the next page, and now it is starting copy pasting all those values. Now you can see on this page there is a submit button, so that it will submit the page.